Learn to unfollow someone on TikTok in 2026 using a simple method that takes only a few seconds. Method 1. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your smartphone and make sure you're signed into your account. Step 2. Tap the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your TikTok profile page where you can view your posts, followers, and the accounts you follow. Step 3. Under your profile picture and bio, tap the following count. This opens a complete list of all the TikTok users you currently follow. Step 4. Scroll through the list or use the search feature at the top to quickly find the person you want to unfollow. Step 5. Once you locate the account, look for the following button next to their username. Tap this button once. Step 6. After tapping it, the button will change from following to follow. This confirms that you have successfully unfollowed the account. Keep in mind that TikTok does not send a notification when you unfollow someone, so the other person will not be directly alerted. However, they may notice if they check their followers or your profile later. If you change your mind, you can always visit their profile again and tap the follow button to start following them once more. That's all there is to it. You have successfully unfollowed someone on TikTok and can manage your following list anytime.